Okay, friends, I'm coming at you today with the two most overused words in marketing. First, let me paint a quick picture. It's for all my Schitt's Creek lovers out there. Do you remember that episode where David and Moira were going to be selling skincare to all the wonderful people in Schitt's Creek? And they started watching this video where the woman kept saying a certain phrase over and over. Yes, it's the two words. To the point that David gets frustrated and he says, "What are the tips and tricks? You keep saying this, but offering nothing." Well, his frustration is precisely why these are the most overused words. Let's put it aside the fact that the woman's video really just kind of sucked, right? She was just trying to do a marketing scheme, essentially, is what was happening. However, the reality is that the word tips and tricks words are overused so much that they don't mean anything. They really don't. All it is marketing jargon, and not very good at that, right? Because let's be real, unless you are actually pulling a rabbit out of a hat, it's not a trick. It's a tactic. It's a step. It's a plan. It's an action item. Y'all, look at these books. There's a dictionary up in there too. There are so many words out there that you can use that are more effective and will actually convey your message better. Because every time you use the term tips and tricks, goes right over people's heads because we hear it way too much and it's usually not effective. It's just a bunch of crap. That's not why you got into business, is it? No. Whatever it is that you are offering, the step together, the tactic that is more efficient, the plan that lets people move faster, any one of these things, the whole point of that is for you to stand out. So why are so many people using tips and tricks? Use a dictionary, get a little more creative. I know that you have it in you. And if not, you know someone who can help you.